Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today I am going to learn you about vowels and consonants. Are you ready? Let us start our vowels and consonants. There are 26 letters in English alphabets and 5 of them are vowels. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Let's repeat one more time. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Children, each vowels have two sounds, long sound and short sound. Let's take the first vowel is A. It makes two sounds. The first one is A, like ape, apron, ear. The second one is A, like apple and eggs. Now let's take the second vowel. The second vowel is E. It also makes two sounds. The first one is E, like eagle, eel, ear. The second one is eh, like elephant, egg, elbow. Now let's take the third vowel. The third vowel is E, I. It also makes two sounds. The first one is I, like iron, ice, ice cream. And the second one is E, like insect, igloo, ink. Now let's take the fourth vowel. The fourth vowel is O. It also makes two sounds. First one is O. It's like old, gold, and okra. The second one is O, like octopus, orange, off. Now let's take the last and the fifth vowel U. The fifth and the last vowel is U. It also makes two sounds. The first one is U, like uniform, universe, unicorn. And the second one is A, like uncle, umbrella, urn. Children, except these vowels, other are the consonants. Consonant letters. There are 21 consonant letters. Now let's read the consonant letters. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, children, today we'll learn about vowels and consonants. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.